Fractions. How to add fractions with different denominators. So we have 7 twelves plus 11 over 20. The first thing we need to do is find a common denominator. So we look at our denominators of 12 and 20. We could list the multiples, like 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. And you could stop after a while and then list the multiples of your other denominator until you find some multiple in common. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80. And I could stop because I see that I have a common multiple in 60. That is the least common, the smallest multiple that I found. Step 2, to multiply the fractions so they have the same denominator. So looking at my fractions 7, 12, and 11 over 20, first I see what I need to multiply to make both those denominators 60. 5 times 12 is what gave me 60, so I can multiply the numerator and denominator by 5. So 7 times 5 will give me 35 on the top, and my denominator is 12 times 5, which is 60. My other fraction, 11 over 20, I see I had to multiply 20 by 3 to get 60, so I multiply the top and bottom by 3 to get my equivalent fraction. So my new fraction now is 11 times 3, which gives me 33, and 20 times 3, which gives me 60, so I have the denominators the same in both fractions. Step 3 is to add the new fractions. So I have 35 over 60 plus 33 over 60. When I add fractions, I add the numerators together and keep the denominator the same. So on the numerator I have 35 plus 33 over 60 in the denominator. 35 plus 33 gives me 68, and my denominator is 60. Step 4 will be to simplify if possible, so put 68 over 60 in lowest terms. So I look for something I could divide both the numerator and denominator by to get something smaller. Here I could divide both by 4, which gives me 17 over 18. Always look to see if you could divide again, but this is in simplest terms.